Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to view recently unfollowed pages on Facebook. If you've recently unfollowed a page on Facebook and now want to refollow it, there's an easy way to do that. In this video, we'll be showing you how to view recently unfollowed pages on Facebook. Step 1 is to download the Facebook app if you haven't already. You can find it in the Play Store by searching for Facebook. Once you've found the app, tap on the white F with a white background and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in. Step 2 is to access the app settings. To do this, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access the app's settings. Step 3 is to navigate to the Preferences section. Scroll down until you see this section and then tap on it. Step 4 is to select Newsfeed. Step 5 is to use the Reconnect option with the plus icon. This will bring up a list of all the pages that you've recently unfollowed or unfriended. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page to search for a specific page you've unfollowed. This can be helpful if you have a lot of pages you follow and want to find a specific one quickly. In addition to refollowing pages, you can also use this feature to manage the pages you follow. You can unfollow pages that you're no longer interested in or refollow pages that you may have accidentally unfollowed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view recently unfollowed pages on Facebook. This can be helpful for refollowing pages that you may have accidentally unfollowed, or for finding pages that you may have lost track of. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.